this is, but something old.
Just cancel the call. Oh. Oh, water. It's interesting. .425 Grant Avenue, Palo Alto.
This thing is weird. GA-alias had GA before.
Well, that obviously doesn't work. Lies.
What does that say? Elevator Service Co.
Esco.
This is modded it.
Wow. No water.
Good thing this
2
isn't
days.
a water hydro.
Dang.
One more time?
No. Bored. You can go again if you want.
That's alright.
I like the red bumper.
I do like the curve.
Burgundy bumper.
Literally the exact same thing.
Dude, there's so much water in the door track.
Yeah, I wonder if the garage like flooded or something.
No, they probably hosed it down like power wash or something.
Cigarette. This has an atrium.
Big mistake. Aw, damn.
Yeah.
I guess this place is called Vista Portofino. Nice. Yeah, that's nice. Same exact elevator. Literally the same thing. Just as boring too.
Oh, it might actually work on this one. If it ever decides to close.
Yeah, you broke it.
Oh,
Yeah, it works.